Hello friends. In most of my reviews I try to keep my own opinions out of it, but this time it's gonna be up close and personal, as we're gonna talk about my favorite piece of Fjallraven gear. Stay tuned. I'm out here with my camera assistant and we're gonna talk about the Fjallraven Keb Trek shirt. Okay, let's get into the features. The shirt comes with two big chest pockets, easy to zip up, very big, and also with stretch. You can fit a lot of things in there. Really nice feature. One of my favorite features is how easy it is to take on and off. So it's very easy to just open up like this, and since it's with buttons, you can just easily button it up like this. So it's really easy to put on and take off if you want to ventilate and anything like that. You open up and just quickly ventilate. You don't need to go through any normal, like you would with a normal shirt. So it's usually the easy things that really does it. So on the main body of the shirt you have stretch, the big areas here. And then on the more exposed areas, meaning the sides here, the elbows, the ends, your collar, the back where you put your backpack, and even down here you have G1000 light. So the more areas that need reinforcement, they reinforce it with the G1000 light. Overall, it's a regular fit on the shirt. Since it's stretch, you feel really comfortable and you have a lot of movability in it, which I really do appreciate once you start moving around in the wild. The next feature is here in the armpits, where you have two ventilation holes, which is really nice. Once you start to move, of course you will get warm, so it's nice to have those holes there. I don't know if it's like the night or day kind of difference here, but yeah, it's nice to have it anyways.
Okay.
Alright, so to conclude this review, this is my favorite shirt because it's easy to put on and off. It's very ventilating, and it's also a really good all-around shirt to use when you're outdoors for all kinds of activities. I think that's about it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, leave a thumbs up or let me know what you didn't like and we can discuss that, I guess. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. You want to say something? You want to add something? You should do it now. Thank you.
Okay, smell.
It's your turn to cook today, by the way. All right, back to the van.
Okay,
let's go.
Back to the van.